Welcome back to the new day and the new video of how to speak English confidently and fluently like native speaker. I know very well that you want to speak in English and I know the answer that how you can speak in English. So there is just one simple answer for you for today. It is vocabulary. Yes. And how you can improve vocabulary, we have the two ways for you. One is this book which I am going to tell you in just few minutes, and another thing is reading. Yes, read newspaper, read magazine, read any other book, whatever book you like, but start reading every day, because when you will read, your pronunciation will become better, your fluency will become better, and your command over the vocabulary will improve, so that you can speak in English. Same thing, one more thing you need to do is start listening English media. Start watching news channels like BBC, CNN, NDTV 24/7, or other English news channel, anyone which you like. Start watching, listening properly that what the news representative is speaking. So as much as you will consume the English, as much as you will grow, because now is the time of learning, because we everyone knows that English is very very important. And I would like to tell you one more thing. After the English is come French language. French is also a very good language and it can open a new opportunity for you. But we are talking here about the English. English is very very important. Even you want to go for overseas studies in Canada or Australia, where you need to qualify the language test like IELTS and TOEFL. IELTS basically for Canada and TOEFL for Australia and New Zealand. So if you have the basic knowledge, command over the English like vocabulary command, reading, fluency, so you can easily qualify these examination. But you have to maintain consistent practice over English, like reading newspaper every day, listening English media. If you will do these easy things every day, you will really going to improve your communication skills. And even though you want to get a job in corporate sector, or you are studying in the BTech or MBA program in the universities, so you very well know that if you want to get a job in MNC companies, so you sorry, you should have a good command over English communication skills, because English is a key to success. So let's start today's video with this book, Word Power Made Easy, written by the Norman Lewis. So let's start the today's topic. So today's topic is how to check your standing as an amateur etymologist. Chapter number 3, page number 493. Anthropocentric. If you want to buy this book, you can buy easily from the Amazon, from the Flipkart, or from the market directly. This book name is Word Power Made Easy. I will also mention in the description also. You can buy anywhere. This is very famous book published by the S. Chand. Anthropocentric. You can see here also the pronunciation is also written anthropocentric, or an we have two different kind of pronunciation here anthropocentric. So whatever you want to choose, you can choose and make your fluency on that. An adjective built on anthropos, mankind. Greek kenthron. I have told you before also that so many English words have came from Greek and the Latin English. So Greek kenthron, center, and the adjective suffix describe thinking, assumptions, reasoning. We all know that about the reasoning, etc. that see mankind as the central fact or ultimate aim of the universe. The noun forms are either anthropocentrism or anthropocentricity. Okay. Next word is andromania. Andromania, a combination of andros. Andros means man, male, plus mania, madness, signifies an obsession with the male's person Andromaniac, one who is mad about man. So andromaniacal. Next word is gynandros, gynandris, combining gyn, woman, with an dross, man, male, describes. Okay, there is a points over here, the plant in which the male and female organs are united in the same column. People who physically have both male and female sexual organs, often one or both in rudimentary form. Hermaphroditic. Hermaphroditic. A combination of Hermes, the Greek god who served as messenger, or herald. Next word is monomaniac. We have heard that word many times, combining monos, one, and the mania, madness, in an obsession with one thing or obsessiveness in one area. Person, monomaniac. Adjective, monomaniacal. Okay, so we have completed this exercise for today. Rest exercise we will do in our, there's a chapter basically, so we have completed the chapter number 3 and we will do the chapter number 4 and 5 in the next session. Believe me, my friend, English is not very hard, but it is not so easy. But it is the most easiest language in this world. If you will pay consistency and work on your basic English communication skills, you will definitely going to speak in English confidently and fluently like native speaker in just 30 days. So what I believe that you just need to pay attention towards your English language skills. So I hope you liked the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.